Hi guys, welcome back into my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can sculpt an image into clay art in Canva. So in order to do that, first you have to open Canva desktop version. Don't forget to sign in with your account. Click apps and then click AI powered. Now you can scroll down and try to find this one, the claymify, so claymation style art for your images, a AI clay filter to turn your photo into viral funky clay art with a touch of a button. So here you can click to use in new design. So here you have to upload an image. A maximum file size is 6 megabyte. Now you can choose the file. Then generating your image, please wait, this can take a few moments. And here we go, this is the result. So you can add this clay art to your design. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click this button below. See you in the next video.